Here, we're being asked to support the researcher's conclusion. We'll go figure out what the researcher's conclusion is immediately. It says that almost all works of fiction contain references to the progression of time, including the time of day when events in a story take place. In a 2020 study, AK, CP, and SS claim that an observable pattern in such references reflects a shift in human behavior prompted by the spread of electric lighting in the 19th century. So we've got the fiction references about when events take place is reflecting a change in electric lighting. And we've got this discussion about where they drew the conclusion for, but it really doesn't affect our correct answer in the end. So starting with choice A, novels published after the year 1800. Well, no, we're talking about the late 19th century. That would be like 1880, 1890. So 1800 itself, too far away, eliminate it. Then choice B, novels published after 1880, ooh, right time frame, contain significantly more references to activities occurring after 10 p.m. than novels from earlier periods do. Well, ding, 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 that's because of the electric lighting. Then choice C, among novels published in the 19th century, implied time references become steadily more common, but what does that have to do with the electric lighting? So we need additional information to say C is correct. And then choice D says we've got references of noon and midnight that are the same frequency, so then why did that have to do with electric lighting? It wouldn't, so we can eliminate D, we select B, we